John Erickson, Los Angeles, California, fully vaccinated, reading for the role of Charlie. Where were we? You spent some time in jail. And after you got out, I found my purpose. Tell me about that. I realized that I needed change. I couldn't continue on my course. So, one day in jail, I picked up the Bible. I found myself in its words. I found salvation. When I walked out, free, I knew what I had to do. I knew my purpose. You shared it, yes. I wanted others to find what I did. To find you. They wanted it so badly. They just needed a push. They needed guidance. I got them together. I gave them a community. We explored your word and built a family. What then? Sorry? I understand this wasn't a regular congregation. No. We were completely and utterly dedicated to you. I'm talking to them right now, in rooms that look just like this one. A sacrifice in your name. What did they take? Sorry? What did you have them take? Sleeping pills. But you didn't intend to join them? They're martyrs. Each of them. They gave their lives in your name. Or yours. You know what I think? You wanted out. You dug yourself too deep. I think I've made my decision.